In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a yearly revenue goal in HoneyBook. Business Goals 2026. We'll walk through where to find the goal setting tool and how to set a number that HoneyBook can track for you throughout the year. This is quick, but I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what you're doing and why. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your account. If your login uses a verification code or an extra security prompt, just complete that to continue. Keep your login details secure and avoid signing in on public devices. After you log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the overview of your business activity. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the vertical navigation bar. That sidebar is your main menu for everything in HoneyBook. Click Finance in that left menu, then choose Overview. The Finance Overview gives you a high-level snapshot of your numbers. And it's also where HoneyBook lets you set and monitor your yearly revenue goal. On the overview page, scroll down to the bottom. There, you'll find the section for yearly revenue goal. If the layout has been updated, look for a card or panel labeled with your yearly goal and progress. The goal you set here will be tied to the year that's displayed in your overview, and it updates automatically as payments are recorded. In the yearly revenue goal section, click Set New Goal. A window will open titled Set Yearly Revenue Goal. HoneyBook calculates your progress based on payments processed or recorded in HoneyBook. So think of this as measuring actual collected revenue, not just invoices you've sent or proposals you've drafted. Enter the amount you want to hit for the year. A good approach is to look at last year's collected revenue, consider your capacity and pricing for this year, and choose a number that's ambitious but realistic. You can refine it later if your plans change. If you have seasonality in your business, keep that in mind when picking your target. But you don't need to break it down here. HoneyBook will track the total for you. When your number is set, click Set Goal to save. You'll now see your goal displayed along with a progress meter. As payments come in and are recorded in HoneyBook, your progress will update automatically. For the most accurate tracking, make sure client payments are run through HoneyBook or marked as paid within your projects. That's it. You've set your yearly revenue goal in HoneyBook and you're ready to monitor your progress all year long.